5v1 situation bus. 5v1 situation bus. Ah, 5v1 situation boss oh. Kala nyo ah. Di nyo kaya boss, dahil agad ako.
Initiate retreat. Don't underestimate me. Launch attack.
Wala pang nakakatapos sa dahil ako boss.
Slain the turtle. An enemy has been slain. Launch attack.
Teka, saan ka pa idol? Start ako eh. Easy. Sobrang easy.
The gun represents justice when pointing at the bad guys.
Oo, tumitipi ka pa, mamaya ka sa akin, boss. Hindi ka na makakita.
My mom sacrificed her life for this city.
Ka, may kasama ka ng kanina.
I won't let anything happen to it. Unstable network. Unstable network.
Idol Peer, ba't di mo in-upload yung
Through
talo mo kay
science,
Syro?
Eruditio aims to create a better future for all.
Sinong Syro sinasabi mo? Yung nag-Granger? Hindi ko pa nakakalaban yun. Nakulo ka ba?
Time to shine.
Usang gala ka.
You have been slain. Double kill.
Gumagawa na naman kayo ng kwento. Sinong Syro na naman yan? Ang titing.
That was a spur of the moment decision.
Kung saan kayo kumukuha ng fake news ah. Gustong gusto nyo talaga ako matalo no? Porket undefeated ako, gustong gusto nyo ako matalo. Nakakainis naman kayo.
Ally has been slain. Unstable network. That once little girl is gonna save someone this time.
Bleh.
Through science, Eruditio aims to create a better future for all. Open fire! Mega kill! Launch attack! Launch attack! My gun is still fully charged! Our turret has been destroyed.
Wicks. Wicks kalaban guys.
Our turret is under attack.
Wala pinapanis kayo ng ano, ng uyi o ng iya.
Unstable network.
Ah!
Slain the turtle. Our turret is under attack. Justice. When pointing at the bad guys. Firepower enhanced. An ally has been slain.
Ang lala mo tol.
Bullseye.
Ang lala mo tol. Hello sir JB, what up JB?
That once little girl is gonna save them. Ally has been slain.
Ang lala mo tol ko.
Bullseye. We can do it. Our turret has been destroyed. Our turret has been destroyed. The gun represents justice when pointing at the bad guys. Our turret is under attack.
Kaya magsasurrender guys. Kaya to. Ang bala sa inyo. Idol emote ko. Syro Sojak! Sino na naman yung Syro? Syro Sojak na yan. Ano yan? Sojak skin? Syro Sojak na yan, boss.
That one little girl is gonna save someone this time.
Pati bago na naman content creator ba yung Syro Sojak na yan?
Our turret is under attack. mom sacrificed her life
Hello,
for this
Poblete
city.
Lopez.
I won't let anything happen to us.
The enemy has slain the turtle.
The gun represents justice.
Shout kay JR
Pointing at
Correro.
bad guys.
Huwag kayong
Our
mag-feed.
turret is under attack.
You
Ayos
can
kaya.
always find your own path to becoming a hero.
Papid kayo ng papid. Hindi kayo nag-feed.
Ever thought about getting some training at Erudicio?
Killing spree.
That once little girl is gonna save someone this time.
Launch attack. Enemy rampage. Our turret is under attack. Don't give up. Let's try. Our turret is
I
under
know
attack.
better. I'm
Our
stronger.
turret has been destroyed. Our turret has been destroyed. Inhibitor turret
Let
is
the
under
shining
attack.
star show you the way.
Sayang daw Eras. Sayang Eras, boss. Feeder si Paquito, guys.
The gun represents justice. When pointing at the bad guys. Is this made in Erudicio?
My turn.
Unstable network.
We can do
Shout kay
it.
Poblete. Nag-my turn. Nag-my turn si King Kill.
Through science, Erudicio
Stop.
aims to create a better future for all.
My turn na.
That once little girl is gonna save someone this time.
Ano yun? Bata daw ako, guys. My turn
Let
na
the
ako.
shining star show you the way.
Bakit nagma-my turn na lang ako? Bata na ako. Grabe naman.
Bullseye!
Ally has been slain.
Feed pa!
An ally has
Wala.
been slain. Our inhibitor turret is under attack.
My shot always finds the target. Open fire!
The enemy has slain Lord. Our inhibitor turret is under attack.
Hey! Stop right there!
An enemy
Feeder.
has been slain.
Feeder kayo, guys. Feeder.
The gun represents justice. When pointing at the bad guys.
Feeder ka kampi, guys. Bigat na kampi ko.
That once little girl is gonna save someone this time.
Bigat ni Paquito.
Time to shine!
Oh, yan.
An ally has been slain.
Feeder ng
Our
kampi ko.
inhibitor turret is under attack.
14545414. Grabe.
Bullseye! Bullseye! That once little girl is gonna save someone this time.
Shut down.
Boom! Shutdown!
Our inhibitor turret is under attack. Has been destroyed. Our inhibitor turret is under attack. An enemy has fallen. Double kill. Our base is under attack.
I'll bring you to justice!
Killing spree.
Father,
Idol, pero nagamit yung cooler. Cooler ng cellphone na EX1. Wala, nakakainis naman yun. Napunta pa ako sa mga cancer. Pero okay lang. It's okay. Buti na lang, nag-marksman tayo, no? La! Lala. Lala naman ng dalawa. Ansom putik. 17. 1716. Ano klase yan? Putik na yan. Ang lala naman. Tanso. Grabe. Kainis. Kainis naman yung dalawa na yun. Papansin. Oy guys! Sian Kyle, salamat sa pag-heart react. Kay Poblete Lawrence, salamat sa pag-like. Kay John Jacob, salamat sa pag-like. Ayan, ng stream. Thank you po. Road to 700 reaction na po tayo, guys. Ang malas ko naman. Ang malas ko sa kakampi. Putik na yan. Ba't puro XP lane nakakampi ko? Anong problema? Ano to? Yung comment ko. Anong comment mo, boss? Anong comment mo, bossing? Ang lamig ng cellphone ko. Ang sarap pala maglaro pag ganito kalamig yung cellphone. Di naglalag, no? Hindi siya laggery. Bad trip kung ano. Oy, Alex, salamat sa pag-like ng stream. Sorry, sabi ni Allen. Sorry. Tara, tamos. Wala kang share badge at following badge, tapos mag-aaya ka ng 1v1. Usang ka lang yan. Mag-share ka muna, boss. Hindi kasi nila inaayos. Kaya naman sana yun, no? Late game. Kaso nga lang, di inaayos ng kampi ko eh. Masyado silang, ano, feeder. Spider. Masyado silang feeder. Feeder. Ah, mga walang sharer badge, mga takot lumaban ng 1v1. Hindi sila nag-share ng stream tsaka nag-heart react. Oy, Ben Benedict, salamat sa pag-heart react. Christian James, salamat sa pag-heart react. Thank you, boss. Pa-XP na kasi ako. Pusang gala, di man lang nababakante yung XP lane na yan. Nakakainit ng ulo.
Your team is banning.
Di na nabakante yung XP lane ng putik. Lagi na lang may XP lane na nakakasama. Tamos ko na to. Galit na ako, boss. Pag nagagalit ako, nagtatamos ako eh. You're my enemy.
Ban a hero.
My enemy. I said who you are. My enemy. My enemy.
Your team is picking.
Wag ako! Wala pang Kung Fu Panda ngayon, boss. Hindi pa yung second phase hindi pa inaano. Pero baka lalabas din. Ben Benedict, Gurakpert. Idol, wag ka pa na po maglaro ng Honor of Kings. Di ka na namin idol kapag naglaro ka po. Grabe, ano ba yun? Porket naglaro ako ng ibang laro, di nyo na ako idol. Grabe naman yan.
I am vengeance
The enemy is
incarnate.
Wow, lakas. Mid ka dol, tank ako. Shoutout kay Ben Benedict Bird. What up? Oy, John Paul, salamat sa pag-heart react. John Rain, James Kenneth.
Gaze upon the edge of the void.
Gagi si Easy.
Make some
Your
noise
team
for
is
yours
picking.
truly.
Asan na yung Dirot ko, boss? Come through, boss! Pagang! Pusang gala, saan ka pupunta? Yari ka sa collector skin ko, boss. Sige, magsitakbuhan kayo sa akin ngayon, mga lodi. Magsitakbuhan kayo, boss. Sige, tumakbo kayo sa akin ngayon.
Who said there are
Hindi
no
kayo
shortcuts
papakawalan,
in
boss.
life?
Yari
I
kayo sa
literally
akin.
invented one.
Yari kayo sa akin yan, boss. Yari kayo sa akin yan, boss. Hindi kayo papakawalan, boss. Tingin nyo, papakawalan ko kayo pag inabol kayo, boss. Eh, no way, boss. Yayariin ko kayo, boss. Yayariin ko kayo, boss. Wah! Ako ang pinakamalakas mag-Dirot sa buong Kalawakan, boss.
Fairy tale ended with a poison
Papanisin ko tong mga to, boss.
and my tale
Wala akong ititirang
began.
boy sa mga to, guys. Pipilistyle lang ko tong mga to. Boss! Dali! Ilak mo na yung core mo na malupit. Busin natin yung mga kalaban. Rumata sisi. Pakialam ko ano yung sisi.
Welcome to the greatest magic
Pampaling
show
ko
of
ba?
all time.
Magandang gabi, idol. Shoutout naman dyan. Shout kay Kevin. Nako, puro sisi,
You
idol.
should be ashamed for not trusting yourself.
Mas malala yung crowd control lang kasama ko. Eudora at saka si ano. Si, ano pangalan nito? Si Chip ba yan? Si Chip ba yan? Chip! Ang Chip mo naman, boss. Pusang ka na.
Pain is the proof that I'm still
Pain
alive.
is the proof that I'm still alive. Papanisin ko na naman itong mga kalaban, boss. Ako ang pinakamalakas mag-direct sa mundo. Walang pipigil kay King Fear. Tararararara. Tararararara. Idol, tuloy ka na po ba? What a nice question. What the freak? Grabe naman. Tansuin mo, boss, ha? Matik yan! Pagkalin ko yung sisi, takatansuin ko yan, pusang ka. Papakainin ko ng malupitang, ano yan, collector skin ni Dairot, boss. Ganda ng tanong mo, idol, ha? Pusang ka, pang problem.
Welcome to Mobile
Ang
Legends.
lupit. Ang
5
bang-
seconds till the enemy reaches the battlefield. Smash them. All troops deployed.
Iiyak na yan. Iiyak na yan.
The house is still there, but the family is beyond repair. How ironic.
Request backup.
These dueling chakras kept my hope alive in a dire oblivion. We walk here into the underworld.
First blood.
Pusang galang yan.
Master,
Naglalag ako.
I'm stronger than before.
Pakialamero ka naman kasi! Nag 1v1 kami sa dumarating ka. Patay sana yun eh. Putik talaga na yan.
Launch attack.
Masyado kang pakialamero, boss. Nangingialam tong ano na to, umay na to. Huwag ka nangingialam, pre. Bad trip naman sa'yo, boss. Para kang hindi yan. Pakialamero ka masyado, boss.
Enemy has been slain. Enemy double kill.
Sakit ng core nila, boss.
Attack the turtle. Launch attack.
Witness the power of hell!
Attack the turtle. Launch attack.
Be, 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 be. Gagi cheater.
Utterly loved. Is burnt to ash in Gurenji temple.
Cheater
Oh,
kalaban.
not ready.
Cheater yung kalaban, bossing. Idol Peer, pa-shoutout Idol AJ Demo, basta sabihin mo po shoutout AJ. Shout kay AJ. AJ, shoutout sa'yo, boss.
I will cleanse this filthy world with flames from
Be, 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 be.
You've overestimated yourself.
Ako, papatayin kita.
An enemy has been slain.
Galing niyo po. Salamat po.
I'll need
Request
the
backup.
honor to guard his excellency for eternity.
Call out, top lane, top lane,
Ult is not ready.
top lane.
Ult is not ready.
It's suicide if you front me!
Ulti chip. Chip ulti, chip ulti.
Ally has been slain.
Gagi, nakatakas ko, boss.
Initiate retreat.
Here to command this world.
Initiate
Your
retreat.
story ends here. With this, I will fulfill my
Ala, ano ba yun? Natali ako. Patay, gagi. Gusto yun dyan, boss. Gawi.
Enemy triple kill.
Usang ka lang, pangit ng pasok ko rin, boss. Tinali ako niya.
hell again.
Oh, may isa.
Sorry.
Ah! Visit. Kawalan sa'yo si Easy.
Enemies will face the
Visit na
test
si Easy
of
to eh.
Enemy has slain the turtle. Our turret has been destroyed. Enemy has been slain.
between desire
Yamete ko da
Our
sai.
turret has been destroyed.
Yamete ko da shai.
Our turret is under attack.
Ay, mukhang di matatanso si
Brotherly love.
Ayan, boss.
will turn to ash in
Kailangan mo
Renji
magtiwala
Temple.
sa akin,
Ult is
boss.
not ready.
Tatanso.
Ally has been slain.
The house is still there.
Ay!
Families beyond repair. How
Your team destroyed a turret.
Usang gala naman na crowd control pa.
I am sorry,
Ka talaga, boss.
my master.
An
Ay,
enemy
ka,
has
boss.
been slain.
Babad trip ka ata, bossing. Ang babad trip ka ba, bossing? Sumusobra ka na.
Wait for me.
Bam! Pinakain!
Stronger than before.
Ta-ta-ta-ta-ta-ta-ta-ta-ta-ta-ta.
An enemy has been slain.
Ang hihina ng kalaban, nakakainis.
Push first. Launch.
Nakakainis ang hihina ng kalaban. Bad trip. Wala na bang mas malakas sa mga to? Wala na bang mas malakas sa mga kalaban?
Flames from hell.
Ay! Anak ng potato chip naman, oh. Thank you po. Nakakas pa ako.
Ally has been
Hellfire.
Ally has been slain.
Wala ba't nagsara yung pinto? Kainis. Ba't nagsara ang pinto mo, boss?
Here's are the best view for the Hellfire.
Launch attack. Slain. The turret been slain.
Nakakainis naman yung tali-tali na yan eh. Lagi na lang tinatalian yung direct ko. Hindi makaalis. Nakahamak kasi yung tali-tali. Porket di nyo matalo yung direct ko, tinatali nyo ako. Ah. Ako kasi yung pinakamalakas sa ano guys, sa direct. Kaya ginagawa nila. Tinatali nila ako para matali ako. Opo, legit po. Malakas po kasi ako mag-direct kiss. Natatakot sila sa akin.
Turret is under attack.
ba yan? Ako na lang palagi, boss.
Our turret has been destroyed.
Ano mo?
Turret is under attack.
Thunderbolt. Utang ka na buhay pa. Okay lang, Coach Joseph.
Stronger than the
Okay lang, Coach. Okay lang, Coach. No problem.
Our turret is under attack.
no matter what, I will be here for His Excellency.
Nakakabugok na. Nakakabugok na, guys.
Our turret is under attack.
You overestimated yourself.
Let's fight. Pusang kaladi!
Enemy rampage. Killing spree. Our turret is under attack.
Talaga. Para tayong outfit ngayon, mga boss.
Turret is
Para tayong outmiss ngayon, bossing ah. Ay, ang sakit naman.
attack the Lord. Launch
Talaga naman, talaga naman.
attack the Lord.
Sinto tayo maglaro. Sinto tayo maglaro ngayon, Kiss ah. Parang timang lang tayo ngayon ah. Buti na lang, ano, wala ako sa mood game. Kundi durog sana yung mga kalaban, boss.
Shut down.
Salamat kayo, wala ako sa mood maglaro ngayon.
Initiate retreat.
Swerte kayo kasi wala ako sa mood maglaro ngayon, boss. Pag nasa mood ako, dudurugin ko kayo,
Power of
boss.
hell!
Ano? Ay, gagi ka.
Retreat.
Lag free. No, lag lang ako.
Initiate retreat.
O, shoutout kay ano, Warren. Salamat sa pag-like, react ng stream. Salamat sila, no, boss, kasi wala ako sa mood ngayon. Pag nasa mood ako ngayon, putik na yun. Basag tomato sa akin. Hello, Jerome! Welcome to
Initiate
stream.
retreat.
Tapay, gagi ka, walang patao. Left lang, kaya to.
Turret is under attack.
Salamat kayo, boss. Pag nasa mood ako, savage na to kanina pa. Buti na lang, mag-thank you naman kayo mga bossing. Mag-thank you naman kayo sa akin. Boss.
Initiate retreat.
Hindi ko na ginagalingan.
Been slain. Killing
Hindi ko na
spree.
ginagalingan para sa inyo mga boss, tapos ganyan pa.
Attack. Killing spree.
Galingan ko na ba? Magbaban kayo na ba ako?
I will
Magdo-Dominic.
fulfill my aspiration.
Wait, talaga ba Donald? Sino Donald? Kaya nyo na yun.
Your team destroyed the turret. Initiate.
Kailangan ko na ata mag-domain expansion, guys. Wait. Kasi ano eh. Hindi tumatalog yung direct ko ngayon.
Let me walk you into the
Una
underworld.
si King Pia. Wait a minute. Wait a second.
Initiate retreat.
Salamat, Jerome. Woo! Sinadya ko yun, boss. Ay, gagi, basag. Gagi ka, naubos kami. Putik na. Grabe, no? Pinapartidahan ko na nga yung kalaban eh, para manalo sila eh. Pinapartidahan ko na nga kayo, boss eh. Para naman kahit pa paano may laban kayo. Kaso wala.
Our inhibitor turret is under attack.
I'm stronger than before.
The turret has been destroyed. We're behind in goal. Attack the Lord.
Walang naglo-lord, boss.
Launch attack. Ult is ready. Launch attack.
puta. Nice! Ay, gagi ka. Patay ka, boss.
Has been slain.
Takti, support. Anong ginagawa mo? Gagi, GG.
Base is under attack.
Pangit naman maglaro ngayon. Nakakainis naman. Puro GG, boss.
Defeat.
Bad trip. Ano nangyayari? Ba't ganun? Ang pangit naman maglaro pag gabi. Pati ako nagiging bano. La! Wisit. Nakakainis. Last game. Pag natalo pa to, pusang gala. Pusang gala. Pag natalo pa to, pusang gala na talaga, boss. Napakabugok naman ng matchmaking ngayon, guys. Nakakainis. Hindi pantay, boss. Magtatamos na ba ako? Oras na ba para magtamos?
Please ban a hero.
Takti, sino pang ibaban mo? Lahat naman ng kalaban magagaling. Ibang ko si Layla eh. Naiinis na ako ah. Kasalanan mo to kung bakit gumagaling yung mga player. Kingpir.
Your team is
Pinapakitaan mo kasi ng galawan mo eh. Hello Mark Earl. Tatapos na ata ako guys. Pagod na ako. Pagod na akong maging malakas. It's showtime. It's showtime. It's showtime.
The enemy is picking.
Wala na mag-a-adjust. Takti. Ginagalit nyo ako, boss.
Popple and Koopa are the best partners
Please
in the
pick a hero.
world.
Wisit ka talaga, po. Wala pang magkukur. Hindi naman jungle itong mga to. Ay, ay, ay.
Strap in. I'm here to rock your world.
When the body suffers,
Binideta na
The
lang
enemy
tayo.
is
spirit
picking.
blooms.
Wala akong kasiguraduhan sa kakampi ko na naman, guys. Walang magja-jungle. Kaurap. Benigi, Benigi. I'm a Benigis, Benigis, Benigis. Benigis.
Pain is the proof that I'm still alive.
It is better to be feared
Your
than
team
loved,
is picking.
if you cannot both. So, who's next?
Oh.
Hope will find a way, even
The
when all
enemy
is
is
forlorn.
picking.
Grabe ka, Idol 5 pa lang nakalive ka na hanggang ngayon. 3 hours stop.